Welcome to Curiosity Life Online Web. Turkish actor Murat Yildirim married the former beauty pageant title holder of Morocco and actress Iman Elbani on 25 December 2016 after 1 month of engagement. When they got married in 2016, Murat Yildirim was 37 years old and Iman Elbani was 25 years old. Murat Yildirim is 12 years 2 months 6 days older than Iman Elbani. Iman Elbani is a Moroccan model, actress and former beauty pageant title holder. She was born on June 19, 1991 in Meknes, Morocco, under the birth sign of Gemini. The beautiful model first became known in 2006 after she won the title of Miss Morocco. She also became a runner-up in the 2009 Miss Arab World pageant. The beauty pageant appeared in films like Amaliyat Khaza and Mrs. Al-Haj Azuz. In December 2016, Iman Elbani married Turkish handsome actor Murat Yildirim in Morocco. Iman Elbani and Murat Yildirim had the honor of meeting then President Recep Tayyip Erdogan in June 2017. Murat Yildirim's wife, Iman Elbani, has become a social media sensation.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Murat Yildirim is a Turkish actor who was born on 13 April 1979 in Konya, Turkey. His father is of Kurdish origin and was a teacher of literature. Yildirim's father speaks Turkish and Kurdish. His mother is of Arabic descent and speaks Arabic as well, but Murat Yildirim is neither fluently in Kurdish nor Arabic. Due to his father's job, Yildirim grew up between Konya and Adana. She has two sisters, named Sevdanu Yildirim and Dilara Yildirim. He graduated in mechanical engineering from the Yildiz Technical University in Istanbul, Turkey, and he has keen interest in mathematics. His interest in music and theatre started early on in his life as well. As a student, Murat Yildirim played drums in a band. During his studying period, he also started partnering with his university theatrical team and attending acting lessons. Click the description link to know update and details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.